So there's one joint done. It should look even tighter once I glue it. Anyways, I'm gonna take this off now and then do this 3 more times. And 3 more times later, front, back, and sides are done. Now I need to make a 1/4 inch dado on the inside, 1/2 inch up from the bottom. I actually did 3 passes to get rid of the thin strip in the middle, but these are ready. I'm just gonna dry fit and check one more time. So you can see the dado from the front and the back. The back doesn't matter, but the front, this is why I have the faceplate, to cover it up like that. I'm just scribing to make the notches. This is for the tandem. For the Movento, it's actually a bit wider. So this is kind of a risky move, notching these before actually gluing the joints, because without the glue to secure it, the end corner pieces on the outside will most likely break off at some point. Last thing on the back is to drill holes for the tabs with tape to make sure that it only drills down 3/8 deep. Front clips are pretty straightforward. You can screw to the front at an angle. Or you can screw to the bottom, but only if you're using a 1/2 inch bottom. Centering the drill bits help a lot here. half, half, and now for the height. 15 millimeter, 14.5. So down here, you can use this to adjust the height. Just want to check the top as well. For the face, I took measurements, cut it to length, rip to width, and then a couple passes with the plane to dress the edge. Using a double-sided tape just to keep the front in place until it's screwed in. If you noticed, I put the steel ruler on the bottom, which is a millimeter thick. So with it in place, I clamped it. Used the previous holes as a guide to drill deeper by another 3/8. So there is the drawer. I'll have to plane it flush, but other than that, the gap is good. It's a millimeter on both sides and a millimeter top and bottom. So that's about that.